$53 million against Kevin David. Who's heard of Kevin David? Let me know in the comments below. So this was a self-proclaimed Amazon FBA guru. This does frustrate me because it gives everyone a bad name in the industry when this happens, by the way. Everyone gets put under the same umbrella. The FTC is taking him to court. The FTC is actually suing him for $53 million. I've got the article up here. Let's have a look. FTC takes action to stop DK Automation and Kevin David Holtz from pitching phony Amazon and crypto money-making schemes. The Federal Trade Commission is taking action against DK Automation and its owners Kevin David Holtz and David Sean Arnett for using unfounded claims of big returns to entice consumers into money-making schemes involving Amazon business packages, Amazon business coaching, and cryptocurrency. The FTC's complaint alleges the defendants promised consumers they could generate passive income on autopilot. I'm laughing because it's so ridiculous. When the truth was that few consumers ever made money from these schemes. DK Automation ripped off consumers by manipulating reviews and making empty promises of big returns on cryptocurrency, investment schemes, and bogus business programs. A proposed court order would require the defendant to turn over $2.6 million to be used to refund consumers harmed by deception, as well as requiring them to stop their deceptive earnings pictures and follow the law. Wow. I mean, look, I think this goes to show the importance of A, doing your due diligence, and B, not trusting everyone that you see on YouTube. It pains me. It pains me. This is just one example, unfortunately, and this is a big example. This is one example of tons. And I hate to say this, not just Amazon gurus all over TikTok, all over YouTube, but crypto gurus all over YouTube, or pretty much any industry. It's the property industry as well. I've been stung by stuff like this in the past, but unfortunately it's never been proven by the FTC. I've been stung. I've spent tens of thousands on courses that, in my opinion, were a rip-off. It's so potent. It happens all the time. There's people that are selling coaching courses, packages, or automation courses, or courses in general for £2,000, £3,000, £4,000. They don't even sell on Amazon. They don't even sell on Amazon. And for people that, even if they do sell on Amazon, just because you sell on Amazon doesn't mean you're okay. Even if you do sell on Amazon, but you're upselling people courses for £2,000, £3,000, £4,000, and hardly anyone gets good results, and you're upselling them in a way that is unethical. For me, this is just an absolute no-go zone. I don't sell any courses. I don't sell any coaching. But I'm probably still tarnished with the same brush. And I hope that I'm not. But when you see one of my videos come up talking about Amazon, and then you see one of Kevin David's, we're completely different people. I don't even sell courses. I don't even do that. And this isn't me trying to defend myself. I don't have to defend myself because I know who I am as a person. But it's a shame because you get people like this, a lot of people like this, that give the industry a bad name. Please be careful. Kevin David has just been done. He's got $53 million. Okay? Huge sums of money. He was selling automation courses for $100,000. $100,000, and he was guaranteeing his customers that he would get them stores up and running, making money for $100,000. And I'm guessing none of that happened. Not to mention just that, but also coaching courses in general. Everything was about making money. And here's the thing, a lot of these self-proclaimed gurus, and I just hate the word guru because I get fed up of it because, as I said, it tarnishes the good people with a bad brush. It does as well. And that's a shame. I get fed up of even saying the word. But unfortunately, there is a lot of them. And I would just give you a warning to say that the majority of these people that are really pushing their social media, based, because we're FBA TV, let's talk about the Amazon people that are really pushing their social media, and they have a course that they are selling at the same time. So again, I'm not outing all. Hey all, just wanted to do a quick message about my sponsor. So Awesome is now sponsoring this YouTube channel. Very, very grateful for that. Awesome is an accounting and bookkeeping service. They take the stress out of my accounting, so they literally take all of my accounting for me. They do it all. It's completely hands off, so I literally have to do nothing apart from check the VAT returns each quarter. Now look, if you want to check them out, they've got a live chat 24/7, etc. as well. If you want to check them out, I've got 2 months free link below for free accounting, and that is all. Let's carry on with the video. I'm not saying outing anyone, I'm not saying they're all bad, but if they have a course that is a lot of money and they're really pushing their social media, I can almost guarantee you they are making a lot more money from that than they are Amazon. Is that a bad thing? No, I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing, right? But if they're pushing it in an unethical way, okay, I know people that sell courses and they're fine. If they're pushing it in an unethical way, if they're getting you to run to the back of the room and promise you, or do webinars and promise you these returns that 0.1% of people actually get, that's what you've got to be aware of. If there's any mention of webinar or free live events, stay clear. Stay clear. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.